show. So we need to change because we don't want our Success Academy clothes to get dirty. So snap! Will it fit? And so it will fit you.
Yeah, it'll definitely fit her.
These are all the art supplies, but I don't know why it says purple because there's no purple in here. Red plus green equals brown. So weird.
That one is weird because that one says blue, red, and yellow make brown. Well, maybe it's different.
It says purple too.
Oh, purple too. I don't know. Well, we'll figure it out, right, Tilly?
Yeah, let's do this one first. That one's so hard, so maybe this one only.
Okay, yeah, I like the one with just two colors.
We're using red and green to make brown t-shirts. This is the t-shirts for the lion sleeps tonight, and where they look so cute.
Let's see. Red and green make brown. Okay? Tilly. We don't know how many. Go. Alright, that looks a little brown. So I gotta change this because this is not working. What did it say? 1 drop red.
And 10 drops yellow.
And 10 drops yellow.
First red.
Alright, one because it's 1 drop, right?
1 red. 1
One red, and Tilly, you can do yellow. So 1 drop, just 1. Good, that's it. 1 drop red, hold on. 5, 6, 7. Here you try. 8, 9, 10. Okay, let's see. Oh, it's orange, right?
You're fine too.
A little brown, right? Maybe try. Hold on.
Ooh, hot.
Oh, it's warm.
Not hot.
It's warm. Okay, so now we'll take a 1 drop blue.
I'll take the blue.
We are in business. 1 drop blue. Wait, hold on.
Making it.
Yep.
Yep.
It's brown. Okay.
A little bit.
A little bit.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah, yeah, yeah.
So the red makes it a little bit more brown.
Ooh, brown.
Brown.
Aha, we
Aha,
did it!
we did
The
it.
science girl!
So now we have to do it in the bucket. So now we have our sample here, right? I'm sorry. Okay, so we got.
It smells like what?
You guys okay with your clothes?
Yeah.
You're okay if you get something on them? Okay. Right?
You can do it.
It's all good. Hold on. No, we gotta put it in. So, haha. It's a light brown, but it's still brown. Alright, we'll try. We'll make it darker. Hold on. No, not yet.
Twist it and then squeeze it. My shirt turned brown. The shirt just turned so brown. Can I see? Oh my god.
Here I
It just did a heart. Can I get another spoon to pick it up? Oh yeah, we made brown. Oh yeah, we made brown. Oh yeah, we made brown.
Look how it turned brown.
Oh yeah, the shirt turned brown. Made brown. Oh yeah, oh yeah, We're having dinner now, so I'll check the shirts tomorrow morning. Yeah, we're done for the day. We're tired. I'm not tired. I can stay here for the whole night. We didn't like the other color, but if you cook it with shorts and coffee, it will turn more brownish.
Yeah, it will, right?
But I thought this was like you said. There's a Nutella one. I think.
Yeah, the Nutella didn't work, so coffee worked better. Well, look. Why don't you take? Let me see. Hold on.
Damn, go get a spoon.
I'll get a spoon. Let me have that. I'll get it.
I'm doing. It's like Nutella.
Let's see.
Coffee works the best. Too short. Can I do it?
Yeah, 2 shirts. Yeah, you can do it. See?
Wow.
Watch out.
See what?
It does look like syrup, right? Well, I think what we can do is we can rinse it.
On here. And we're rinsing the shorts, so we'll put it right over here. This can actually go up in the dark on here.
Just watch the table, okay? Try not to shake
What? That's typical. The hot could glow up in the dark. Isn't that cool, guys? These are my shirts. It's so wet.
But it'll dry.
Shorts to big dry. Back when they dry. Smells like what does it smell like? Peanut butter. It smells a little stinky. Shirt upside down. Shirt upside down. Yeah, it's brown. Shorts. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Look.